This is our 10-inch gas filter housing, a high-performance stainless steel solution designed for gas filtration applications. Simple in structure, reliable in performance, and suitable for a wide range of industrial gas systems. The standard 10-inch design allows compatibility with various sintered filter elements and media. The robust stainless steel housing ensures stable operation under pressure and demanding conditions. Precision-machined connections and sealing structures help minimize gas leakage risks. The smooth internal surface reduces particle buildup and makes cleaning and maintenance easier. Flexible installation allows easy integration into existing gas pipelines, ideal for both new projects and system upgrades. Stable filtration performance protects downstream equipment and extends system lifespan. Suitable for compressed air, industrial gases, and various special gas applications. We offer more than just filter housings. We provide complete filtration solutions. Customization is available for different sizes, connections, and application requirements. Looking for a high-performance and reliable gas filter housing? Wholesale and OEM services available. Your all-in-one sintered filter solution. Contact us to learn more.